have been making these Chinese fried chicken wings since college. It's super popular among all my friends and family. You'll be surprised by how delicious they are. Would you like to try my super crispy and juicy Chinese fried chicken wings? All you need is 20 minutes. Here we have some chicken wing flats. Use bamboo skewers or a fork to pull a lot of holes all over the chicken wings. It helps the marinade to go in faster and also speed up the cooking process. In a mixing bowl, place the chicken wing flats inside. Marinate it with soy sauce, rice wine, white pepper, and garlic. So talking about garlic, do you like it? According to traditional Chinese medicine, garlic kills germs. And back in the ancient time, Chinese people would eat garlic during Chinese New Year to revive qi. They also believe it protects themselves from the evil spirit. Marinate them for 5 minutes. You can also marinate them for longer. This fried chicken wing recipe has been my go-to since college. Whether I was stressed with final or just hanging out with friends, it has been with me through many ups and downs. So please comment below and share with me one comfort food you always enjoy. On a plate, add the rice flour. Rice flour will give a lighter and crispier coating. It's also gluten-free. And coat the chicken wings with it. Have you made fried chicken before? They tend to splatter a lot. So here's a cooking trick that always worked for me. In a pot over high heat, add the oil. And heat it up until 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Sprinkle a pinch of salt in the oil. Ta-da! Salt absorbs moisture in the chicken wings and reduces splattering. Carefully place the chicken wings inside, one at a time. Deep fry for about 5 minutes until completely cooked through. Remove. Heat the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Return the chicken and deep fry for another 2 minutes until super crispy. Double frying makes the chicken wings super crispy and not greasy. At this point, the internal temperature of the chicken should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The moment of truth has finally arrived. You can see how beautifully golden brown and crispy they are. The combination of crispy and juicy is absolutely amazing. So when you eat chicken wing, remember to also pair with lots of healthy vegetables. If you're also craving for teriyaki chicken wing recipe, you gotta check out this video right here. Oh, so good. And please subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!